Silas, are you drinking castor oil?
I don't even know what that is.
Or is that mineral oil?
That's mineral oil.
You putting them on the boots
Cleaning them up.
that you got from Dick?
What a difference.
Yep. Yeah,
Whoa, they look brand new now.
Getting clean fast.
I guess so.
What size are those?
11 and a half. I'm like 11. So.
Really?
Nice.
Wow, that's perfect then.
Yeah.
It's perfect for
They
size.
fit good.
He was wearing them. He said he can't wait to wear them to school. I told him not to though. Everybody's gonna think he's
Yeah,
rich.
I don't know if I'm gonna wear these ones to school.
Everybody's gonna think he's rich, and then they're gonna hit him over the head and take his wallet. There you go, folks. That's what Cy's doing today.
Yep.
Sci-fi, the Wi-Fi guy.
Bet you didn't expect to get that from Dick today, eh?
Oh no, definitely not.
No, I didn't think he was gonna give him anything.
I didn't know he had cowboy boots.